Today I'm taking you guys with me to my 18th birthday party.
Everybody's here. All my friends are here. This is honestly the best day ever. It's awesome to have everybody here. Tomorrow, most people are working, but for me, I can do whatever I want.
I made over $4,000 today, and now I get to enjoy my birthday and graduation party. Over the last 5.5 years, I've been known as that kid that went viral for trading at a young age, trading in the back of class, the teenage day trader who's made millions of dollars. But today, everything changes. Now, I'm just like everybody else. Today's my 18th birthday, and it's also my graduation party. So I'm having an 18th birthday and a graduation party. It's a really exciting day for me today because now I can get off the custodial account for my trading account and open up a regular brokerage account. And just in general, like, I'm an adult now, you know, everything changes. I used to have my dad and mom have to co-sign for everything for me, and now I don't have to do any of that. So it's a very exciting day for me. And today I'm taking you guys with me to my 18th birthday party. It's going to be crazy. This venue is insane, and let's go check it out. I haven't seen it yet. My mom hasn't let me see it yet. All right, so I said it's ready. Let's go check it out. My first time seeing it. I'm really nervous because they're like a graduation has never looked like this before. So let's see. Just like the opening looks really, really cool. Wow. This is crazy. Oh my, this is insane. I've never seen like graduation like this or a birthday party. Wow, they did such a good job. This is insane. Oh, my last YouTube video is up there. This is really, really cool. Oh my mom did such a good job. Wow. This is actually insane. The best part about trading is I literally worked for an hour and a half today because it was my birthday. I didn't want to spend too much time on the market and just working, so I canceled all my meetings. I didn't schedule anything for today. I made over $4,000 today, and now I get to enjoy my birthday and graduation party. And I think like why this is such a monumental day for me is because a lot of these kids are going to college and stuff like that. I made the decision not to go to college because I know what I want to do for the rest of my life, and I love what I do. It's helping others have financial freedom. So not only is this party my 18th birthday, my graduation party, but it's also like the first day and the start of the rest of my life. It's like the start to the second half of my book, I feel like, because this is real life now. It's not like I go to school or nothing. No, it's the first day of the rest of my life.
I'm with the AP for 200K. They told me the frost, rainbow face. They hope I fall off. Ain't no way. I might be alright, but it ain't okay. Niggas got left. Niggas went right, I went left and stay left, and ain't nothing the same. They run their lips. I put my purp in and step in my foot in the pedal of rain. Spinning shit like I'm ahead of the game. You say they gon' drop and it better be flame. Lil' mommy gon' type, she gon' suck till I'm drained. My top by top in love with her brain. Her across the sea, Hathens and making those grease, man. Love me in Spain. Her kicking P. Land on the jet with a bitch with a big body frame. Just like a biker, rocket black. Margiela Loaf was the one with the lace. Put up the title, yeah, right. Hope that these little niggas really wanna break. I got that thing gon' recite what I say. Came in a ladder, this ain't no threat. Just a blue Scotty, I smoke to the face. Made it to the light, they still throwing shade. I was locked up,
Okay guys, so now we're like halfway through the party. We're having a sick time. Everybody's here. All my friends are here. This is honestly the best day ever. It's awesome to have everybody here supporting, and we're just having a good time. It's cool when hard work pays off, and when you're starting trading, you have to be extremely unbalanced. But the whole point is to become a profitable trader. When you become successful, you have balance, you have freedom, you can enjoy the rest of your life. Tomorrow, most people are working, but for me, I can do whatever I want. Love you guys. Peace. These are all my little sisters right here. Shout out to the vlog. Nobody watching this message. This is my best friend Jaden right here. PB, baby, on top. PB on top, man. He's been with me throughout the whole journey. And shout out Jaden, bro. Shout out Jaden. These are my other friends right here. Rose, Savannah, Olivia. Savannah was the vlogger from my other viral video, if you guys saw. The POV last day of high school. So if you ever watched that, Go watch it right now. If you're sleeping on the channel, straight up.
We're at a party. You guys want to make it a party? You gotta come on the dance floor right now. If you don't come on the dance floor, you don't like PB, all right?
Everybody, come on, you leave. I'm getting everybody on here right now.
Mama hit my phone and said rap's no good. Better than telling me the check's no good. Now they wanna act like I do no good. I wanna hurt you tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Best lawyer in the world! Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Can't sleep these days unless I take one. They don't have a story these days, they'll make one. Life is always on, man, I never get a break from it. Doesn't matter where I go, I can never get away from it. I'm that real nigga, what up? Real nigga, what up? If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga shut up. If you diss me in your ass, I get your pussy ass stuck up. Keeping people fed is my only peace of mind now. And I turn a 6 upside down, it's a 9 now. I made a decision last night that I would die for it.
I'm swinging out kids. I'm swinging out kids. You know I'm a cheaper. You know I'm a cheaper. I'm flying so I can eat. Big can on it. 4-5 long heater. Can't be too simple. This bitch said she was hungry. They dick what I feed. I'm on the block, having unchanged. Yeah, 3 5s a reef. Yeah, you know I'm a keeper. I be cheap. All these hoes leaders, they be eating. Cut the lights out, we gon' pull up creep. We got 4 6, we 4 deep in the photo Jeep. My blood trigger figure is here, leave brains on the seat. My trigger figure is here, I feel like D-Wayne with the heat. Made him do the running, man, we said something right there, shots.
But if by chance you're here alone, that's just right. Let me photograph you in this lighted case when we were young.
Not a Benz. I don't even get the time to fuck you on the weekends. Anytime you pull up on me, baby, it's a secret. I don't wanna fight, I wanna fuck you in Chanel. At least you can never tell me that I'm not real. I'm telling everybody, calling it a secret. Yeah, I know they wanna call me a great defense.
And guys, just like that, my 18th birthday and grad party is done. Again, this wasn't a regular one. This was really the start to the rest of my life, the start of a new chapter. And it's crazy because just like that, I'm an adult now. Everything counts, everything matters. But the crazy part is, like, even though people are like, how do you feel? How do you feel? I feel like I've lived like this the last 5 years, where it's like, as a kid, I guess you wake up, you don't have any worries. But for me, I had worries every single day. I had to be a profitable trader. I had to put food on my employees' tables. I was always stressed. I was always worried. I was always having all those responsibilities that an 18-year-old would have had or an adult would have. And honestly, I love it. And I think it developed me and prepared me a lot for my future. But without further ado, I love you all. Thank you guys so much for following and subscribing. This is more, not only it's not like a trading education video, but it's more just like a fun, like this is me, this is my family celebration video, and I hope you guys can all celebrate something special too. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, links below for all my other stuff. Love you guys, peace, and subscribe. That's a good way to end it.